Hello, it's Mark and Colby from Landmark Financial Services Group. We're going to continue on talking about accounting for business transactions. We just finished talking about QuickBooks, but in this video we're going to talk about payroll because that's one of the other major series of transactions that happen for a business. I've asked Colby again to step in because Colby is our true payroll expert. Colby, tell us a little bit about what payroll is.
Sure. So payroll is a way to compensate your employees, whether they're salary or hourly. It also is important because along with those wages and compensation comes payroll tax filings. And you want to make sure that those are accurate, whether at the federal or the state level, because there could be some implications down the road if those are inaccurate or incomplete.
All right. So making sure that your payroll taxes are withheld, they're submitted to the agencies, and all the forms are filed.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. And that process alone can be very cumbersome, and that's why we offer it as part of our business package, because we want our clients and businesses to focus on what they do best, and payroll should not be one of those things. So we can take care of that for them.
Right. That's great. And I know there's a lot of other payroll firms, companies that do nothing but payroll out there. Why would somebody want their CPA firm to do payroll as opposed to, one of these other firms?
So it's just part of the overall package that we offer to our businesses.
Right.
We do everything in-house, so we are the intermediary. We do use a third-party software that allows us to process payroll, and we can take care of all of it. And we are very knowledgeable within the tax laws that help us advise clients, whether it's compensation for partners, compensation through S Corp shareholders or C Corp shareholders.
And so one of the other benefits, I imagine, is that when we're doing the payroll, we're also incorporating it into their books?
Correct. So that's actually a really good point. So oftentimes what flows through the bank account is net. Is net. So that's all wages minus your withholdings for taxes, and if you have other deductions as well. So what we do is we actually gross up wages. I look at payroll journals, and we actually gross up wages on a monthly or weekly, whatever the client needs, and that's a true number. As far as what the
actual payroll is itself. So now you can differentiate between what's part of it is tax and which part of it is.
And another thing that we do is we actually can allocate hourly versus salary, which a lot of clients want now because they actually can see a breakdown of where a majority of their wages are being paid.
Yeah, that's a really good point. Obviously I got the right guy here. Okay, Colby's a real expert. If you do need some help, okay, please feel free to contact us. Right. You can call us at 978-984-5425. You can look us up on the web at lmfsg.com, or you can email Colby at cduty@lmfsg.com. Thanks.